Exercise 6.3, 6th chapter, 8th question. E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD. So, we draw a parallelogram ABCD. BE, where is AD? E is a point on the side AD produced. If we produced AD, we find the point E here. So ABCD is a parallelogram. E is a point when we produce AD. And BE intersects BE. Therefore, we join BE. This BE intersects CD at the point F. Right? The question is prove that ABE is similar to CFB. ABE, the biggest triangle, we have to show it is similar to CFB, this triangle. This ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. In a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle C. These two are equal angles. We can denote this A as EAB. Remember, this triangle we have to prove. Therefore, I write EAB. Both are same angles only. And angle C. Angle C we want in triangle CFB. Therefore, this is BCF. Why we have taken equal? Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Right. This AD and BC are parallel. Why they are parallel? Opposite sides of a parallelogram. We know both the pairs of opposite sides of a parallelogram are parallel. So, opposite sides of a parallelogram. Now, this AD, E is here. If AD is parallel to BC, this AE is also parallel to BC because just it is the extended line segment of AD parallel to BC. So what is this BE? BE acts as a transversal. Therefore, these two angles are equal, called alternate angles, right? Therefore, how to denote this angle? This angle is BEA is equal to what? Equal to FBC. We can write EBC also, FBC also, but we want triangle FBC. Therefore, I write this angle as FBC. The reason is alternate angles. Hope you understood, right? These two are opposite angles of a parallelogram. These two lines are parallel because of opposite sides of a parallelogram. EB is a transversal, therefore these two angles are alternate angles. Therefore, in triangle ABE and triangle CFB, we got EAB is equal to BCF and BEA is equal to FBC. Two pair of angles we proved in these two triangles equal. Therefore, by AA criterion, triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. Triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. Ninth sum is, in the given figure, triangle ABC and triangle AMB are two right triangles, right angled at B. B is a right angle and M also right angle. Prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMB. I take the given triangles, triangle ABC and triangle AMB. Angle B is 90 degree in triangle ABC and here M is 90 degree. Therefore, these two angles are equal because of 90 degree. And in these two triangles, you find angle A in common. ABC in this triangle, angle A is there Triangle AMP, again the same angle is there. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle A. How to write this angle? BAC. Here, MAP. The reason is same angle. Two pairs of angles we proved equal in these two triangles. Therefore, again we go for AA criterion. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. When two triangles are similar, corresponding sides are proportional. We are asked to prove two results here. Therefore, AB upon AM equal to BC upon MP, which is equal to AC upon AP, right? But here we want only two pairs. Which are the pairs we want? AC and BC. Only these two we want. So this is unwanted. Dropping this, we'll get BC upon MP is equal to AC upon AP. Hence proved. Six point three tenth sum is CD and GH are respectively the bisectors of ACB. So CD bisects angle C. CD bisects angle C. We know the meaning of bisection. It divides the angle into two equal parts. So these two angles are equal. So it is BCD, which is equal to ACD. Both are equal to half of which angle? Half of angle C. HG bisects which angle? Given angle G. Therefore, similar to this, these two sections are also equal. Which are the angles equal? EGH is equal to HGF. Both are equal to half of which angle? Half of angle G. Hope you understood this. And we are given triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. Therefore, angle C is equal to what? Equal to angle G. We know when two triangles are similar, corresponding angles are equal. I take divisor 2 on both the sides. I am dividing both the angles by 2. So what is C upon 2? C upon 2 is BCD, also ACD. Similarly, G, this G upon 2 is nothing but EGH, which is equal to HGF. So all these four angles are equal. So all these four angles are equal. Which angles? These two are equal. These two are equal. And if this is 40, this also 40, this also 40, this also 40, because angle C and angle G are equal, given the triangles are similar. Hope you understood. CD bisects angle C, therefore these two angles are equal. GH is the bisector of angle G, these two angles are equal. But C and G are equal because the triangles are given similar. Therefore, C and G are equal. I want to bring these two angles here. Therefore, I am dividing both the sides by 2. So, C upon 2 can be replaced by these two angles. Replaced. Similarly, G upon 2 can be replaced by these two angles. Now, using this, we are going to prove all the three results. So, in triangle DCB, I have taken this triangle. From this, we can bring this result. Okay. In triangle DCB and triangle HGE, these two triangles, right? Angle B is equal to angle E. Why angle B and E are equal? Because triangle ABC because triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. Therefore, B angle is equal to angle E. And then DCB is this angle, right? This angle is equal to what? Equal to this angle. So, what is the name of this angle? BCD is equal to what? Equal to EGH. We have proved, already proved. This is proved. Therefore, two pairs of angles are equal. Therefore, by which result? By AA, triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE. So, second result is proved. Now, we proceed with third result. In triangle DCA and triangle HGF, these two triangles we have to prove similar, so that we have taken here. DCA is this triangle and this is this triangle. A and F are equal. Why A and F are equal? Because these two triangles are given similar. So angle A is equal to angle F. The reason is triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG, right? And then this angle. What is the name of this angle? Angle ACD is equal to angle HGF. This is also proved. Therefore, by AA result, triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF. Triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF. So, when two triangles are similar, we know corresponding sides are proportional. So, using corresponding sides proportional, we are going to bring the first result. So, I take the corresponding sides. Which are the corresponding sides? DC upon HG, which is equal to CA upon GF, which is equal to DA upon HF, right? CD we want, GH we want, AC we want, GF we want. So, only these two are asked in the result. So, dropping this, we take the first two results. Therefore, DC upon HG equal to CA upon GF, which is the required result. This is the second result we have proved. This is the third result. And the first result is from this only. We cannot take first in the first place. So, this is the first result we have proved. Means the second subdivision is taken first, followed by third subdivision. From the third subdivision only we can bring the first result. Hope you understood. Bisector result is used. Eleventh question is, in the given figure, E is a point on side BC produced of an isosceles triangle ABC with AB equal to what? Equal to AC. So, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equal to what? Equal to AC. If AD is perpendicular to BC, AD is perpendicular to BC. If AD is perpendicular to BC, what is angle D? D is equal to 90. EF is perpendicular to AC. Therefore, what is angle F? F is equal to 90. Now, using this, we have to prove ABD. This ABD, we have to prove ABD, we have to prove is similar to ECF. E is here, CF. So, one angle is 90 degree, and if you prove one more angle equal in these two triangles, then the result gets over. Okay. So, AB equal to AC given. If two sides of a triangle are equal, then their angles are, opposite angles are equal. What is the angle opposite to AB in triangle ABC? It is angle C. What is the angle opposite to AC in triangle ABC? It is angle B. Therefore, this AB equal to AC in triangle ABC. Therefore, opposite angles are equal. The C can be written as FCE also. Look at the figure, you will understand. This angle can be written in many ways. ACB, FCB, FCD, ACD, in many ways. But which triangle we have taken? Accordingly we have written. Angle B. Angle B can be written as ABC we can write, or we can write ABD also. But this triangle we are supposed to prove, therefore I take angle ABD. Okay. Now I take triangle ABD and triangle ECF. In these two triangles, we got two pairs of angles equal. Angle D is equal to angle F because of 90 degree. And here FCE is equal to angle ABD. This is proved. Therefore, by which result? By AA, triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF. Hope you understood. It is an isosceles triangle. Therefore, two sides are equal. Which two sides are given equal in the triangle AB and AC? Two sides are equal, therefore opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles. So this C can be written as FCE, and here it is ABD. Because we have to prove these two triangles similar, therefore the C can also be written as FCE, B can be written as ABD. So the required triangles are these two. In these two triangles, F and D we have taken equal because of 90 degree, and angle B and angle C we have proved equal. Therefore by AA criterion, triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF. 12th sum is sides AB, BC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ and QR and median PM of triangle PQR. So I take side AB, BC and median AD. These three are proportional to PQ. We should take PQ first, the order, because the word respectively is given. Here it is QR and median PM. This is what this is given. Right? Using this, we are asked to show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Let us understand the meaning of median. AD is a median on which side? On BC. AD is drawn on BC. Any median divides the side into two equal halves. Therefore, AD is a median on BC. Therefore, BD and DC are equal to half of BC. If BC is 10, BD will be 5, DC will be 5, which is equal to half of 10. Therefore, BD equal to DC is equal to half of BC. Similarly, PM is a median on which side? On QR, right? Again, median definition we are going to use. QM and MR are equal to half of QR. QM equal to MR is equal to half of QR, right? So in this result, here I am going to multiply above and below by half in order to bring these terms in this place, right? Therefore, AB, I copy what is given again, AB upon PQ equal to BC upon QR, which is equal to AD upon PM. This is already given, just it is copied. So here, keeping other ratios same, here I am going to multiply by half above and below. Right. So half BC can be replaced by BD or DC. I take BD. So here it is BD, and half QR, because I have taken the first term, this part, here also I should take the first part. Therefore, what I am going to take here? QM. Let us name this result as 1. So I write here from 1. So AB upon PQ remains the same, and here it is AD upon PM. right? So first I am intending to prove these two triangles are similar. So two sides are proportional. AB upon PQ is equal to BD upon QM. They are proportional, and AD upon PM is also proportional. So using this, we are going to prove this angle B is equal to angle Q. So which two triangles easily we can make out? This is this triangle. Therefore, in triangle ABD and triangle PQM, right? AB upon PQ is equal to BD upon QM is equal to AD upon PM in these two triangles. All the three sides are proportional. Therefore, by which result? By triple S, triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM. If two triangles are similar, we know corresponding angles are equal. Therefore, angle B is equal to what? Angle Q. So now using this, we are going to prove these two triangles are similar. Therefore, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, two sides are proportional. Already it is given. AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. It is given. And we have proved angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle B and Q are what kind of angles? They are the included angles. You can see the common alphabets. Included angles. Therefore, by which result? By SAS, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Here it is not a direct proof. Little bit we have to prove the previous result. Only then we can prove the given result. Okay, let us recall. This is given. Sides AB, BC and AD. AB, BC, AD are proportional to PQ. So AB with PQ we should take, BC with QR and AD with PM. They are proportional, that is given. Median is a line segment which divides the side into two equal half. The word median is given in the question itself. You can see median. Therefore, AD divides BC into two equal parts. BD and BC are equal to half of BC. QM and MR are equal to half of QR, that is taken here. So this is already given in the question. In order to prove these two triangles similar, only if we prove these two similar or these two similar, we can prove these two triangles similar. Therefore, we are targeting to prove these two triangles similar. Therefore, I need BD and QM. Therefore, I divide BC by 2, QR also by 2. So, in the place of half of BC, I have replaced BD. In the place of half of QR, I have replaced QM. This is from one already written here. Okay. Therefore, in these two triangles, we got three sides are proportional. Therefore, by triple S, these two triangles are similar. Because these two triangles are similar, angle B is equal to what? Angle Q. Therefore, these two sides are proportional and the included angles are equal. Hence, by SAS criterion, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR.